This is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the daily crypto tech review of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple's XRP. We're looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the day's support, resistance and pivot levels and the Fibonacci's. It is Monday, the 27th of September. Jumping straight into Bitcoin against the US dollar, looking at the hourly candlesticks, bullish start to the day. Going to see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 42,651 to continue the run at the first major resistance level at 44,502. Support from the broader market would be needed for Bitcoin to break back through to 44,000 levels. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Bitcoin target 47,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 45,814. A fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 41,339 into play, and the 38.2% fib at 41,592. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, however, Bitcoin should avoid sub-40s. Second major support level sits at 49,488. Looking at the MACDs, widening of the bullish histograms at the turn of the day coming off the back of this morning's rally. So that's a bullish signal. On the EMAs, seeing the 50 close in on the 100 and the 200. So look out for a further narrowing and a possible bullish cross that would bring 47,000 levels into play. So key, avoid the pivot at 42,651, break back through to 44,000 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Across Ethereum against US dollar, also a bullish start. Going to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 2973 to continue the run at the first major resistance level at 3205. Support from the broader market will be needed for Ethereum to break out from this morning's high 3150. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ethereum target the 23.6% fib at 3369 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 3349. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 2829 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ethereum should avoid the second major support level 2597. 38.2% fib at 2740 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACDs, widening of the bullish histograms at the turn of the day coming off the back of this morning's rally. So look out for direction there. On the EMAs, we're seeing the 50 close in on the 100 and narrow on the 200. So that's also providing support. Look out for a possible bullish cross. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 2973, break back through to 3150 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Moving across to Litecoin against US dollar, tracking the broader market, also bullish start. Going to see Litecoin avoid the pivot at 149 to continue the run at the first major resistance level 156. Support from the broader market will be needed for Litecoin to break out from this morning's highs and yesterday's high at 153.51. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Litecoin target 165 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 160. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 144 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Litecoin should avoid sub 140s and the second major support level at 137. Looking at the MACDs, slight widening of the bullish histograms at the turn of the day coming off the back of this morning's breakout. So look out for further widening there to provide support. On the EMAs, slight narrowing of the 50 on the 100 and the 200, but no immediate signs of a bullish cross. So keep an eye out there for further direction. So key, avoid the pivot at 149, break back through yesterday's high at 153.51 to bring resistance levels into play. Finally, looking at Ripple's XRP against US dollar, particularly bullish start to the day. Going to see Ripple's XRP continue to hold above the first major resistance level at 9694 to take a run at the second major resistance level at 9944. Support from the broader market will be needed for Ripple's XRP to break out from this morning's high, however, at 97799. So barring an extended rally throughout the day, expect resistance at 0.98 to cap the upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ripple's XRP target that second major resistance level at 9944 before any pullback. A fallback through the first major resistance level and through the pivot at 9313 would bring the first major support level at 9063 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, however, Ripple's XRP should still well clear of the second major support level at 8682. Looking at the MACDs, marked widening of the bullish histogram at the turn of the day coming off the back of this morning's rally. So look out for a further widening there to provide further support. On the EMAs, we're seeing the 50 narrow marginally on the 100 and the 200, so look out for a further narrowing there to deliver further upside on the day. So key, avoid a fallback through the first major resistance level at 9694, break through 98 levels to bring the second major resistance level at 9944 into play. A fallback through that first major resistance level and expect that pivot level at point 9313 to come into play.